Okay, I'll be short. This is just to show you that it is possible with proper animation video to score 83%. Check this out. I just watched a 6.5-minute video and joined whatever was promoted in that video. And I'm here to claim, to challenge you, if to see if you're one of the 83% as well. So the video that I'm talking about, and it's also to simply show you the power of animated video. I mean, this video is converting 83%. 83% of the people that have watched this 6.5-minute video have joined. So that's amazing. That is really amazing, because I'm literally crazy about video marketing and video funnels and video programs and video software, marketing software. But anyway, this video is scoring 83%. When you're interested, I'm just curious if you're interested in seeing the video itself and see if you're one of those 83%. Then click links underneath this video. We just found out that it is true. I'm definitely one of those 83%. I joined immediately after I've seen this video, because it's promoting something that we all need. It is all about getting free team members in our teams that we are making money off and with. So that is a huge missing link in online marketing. So that which is being promoted in the video as well as the video itself is a huge success. So join for free. Click links underneath, claim your position, and make sure you have a website just like this, completely free, that is bringing in team members way over the top, like lots of them. And I'm surprised. I'm curious if you will belong to one of those 83 people that I am able to see in my back office after having watched this 6.5-minute video. So would it be okay for you to click the links underneath this video, leave your best email address, mobile telephone number when you see this on a page where you can do so? I'll send you appropriate video information and lots more. We also have artificial intelligence software right now that is truly doing everything on autopilot. This is the year of traffic, guys. This is the year of bringing in team members and building automated follow-up systems and so on and so forth. So here you go. I hope to have been of service, and then I'll see you and yours definitely in our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, Skype sessions, Zoom sessions, clinics, outings, events, but definitely in the most beautiful resorts and on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Thank you so much. Check you soon. Click those links, see the video, it's amazing. Bye bye for now.